people. Please welcome Riccardo with the Base Mini App Factory. Woo.
Hello everyone. How much time do I have? Like 3 minutes. That's great. There's a lot of sweet things you can do in 3 minutes. As for example, building and deploy Base Mini Apps thanks to the Mini App Factory developed by OpenxAI. Most of you probably familiar with the efforts Coinbase is putting into transforming their wallet into these Web3 super apps, connecting hundreds of millions of users. It feels right now we are in that pivotal moment, just like we were in 2007 with the App Store moment that unlocked this new wave of digital creators. And we think that the important thing for OpenxAI is to make this as frictionless as possible, and that everyone should be able to develop mini apps directly from their phone in just a few clicks. That's why the mini app, the factory, is a mini app in itself. So you can find it searching directly in the base user app you discover by typing mini app factory. And the way you interact is very simple. You just describe what you want to build, you vibe code there, you interact with the live prototype, you iterate until you find something that is suitable for you that you like to deploy, and just click deploy. In just a couple of minutes, you're gonna have a fully functional app for custom mini app that is already discoverable on Base. You have full ownership of it. You own their code. You can export in GitHub, and also mint a live NFT that proves the ownership that you can use for your Base mini apps to rent it out or trade, unlocking this new liquidity in the secondary market. So I think this is a great way for you to discover and start to interact with the ecosystem. Farming, we're in the middle of a campaign. We're gonna be opening up the beta access in the next couple of weeks. So you can scan the QR code, get your wallet whitelisted, and can start interact with it. The first 1,000 deployed, they're gonna get a Genesis NFT exclusively and 0 deployment fees. And there's gonna be a prize for the best apps in the competition. My name is Rick, been in 4 years in crypto VC, now representing OpenxAI. I think Base is the ecosystem to be, and this is a great tool for you to start interact with it. So go try it out, start farming, get in the competition, and let's bring this App Store moment into the Base ecosystem. You're welcome to join the community. Thank you.